Our UK counterparts actually listed the Huawei Mate 20 Pro as the best phone of 2018. Having the phone in hand, I can actually see why. Stay tuned for this review. But in any case, before the year ends, what else could actually top off that flagship phone? Well, the answer to that question is none other than Huawei themselves. Hi, my name is Hyrule from Stuff Asia, and today we'll be unboxing the Huawei Mate 20X. Alright, without further ado, let's unbox this phone. First things first, you need your tools. I don't have a knife, but this would do. So, if you guys are not into graphic violence, please stay away from the screen. We shall take off the plastic covering from the phone. Well, it's very close to Christmas and unboxing is going to be a thing, that's for sure. So, with the plastic off, here we go. Have a look at the box. It's a very fancy box, that's for sure, with Huawei and whatnot. But enough of the box, let's see what's inside. And behold, the contents of the black box. And there you have it, the Mate 20X in its glory. Let's take it out. So as you can see, this is the Mate 20X. And let's move on. Other contents of the box. Wait, let's put it here. Also includes a casing, a silicone casing if you choose to use it, as well as the pin for you to take out the card slot. And other contents include its charger, 2-point plug, USB Type-C cable for your phone and the charger itself, and finally, earphones. Can't live without it. Now, with the phone finally out of its cardboard prison, we'll have a look at the design. It's very sleek, it's quite large. If you want to compare it to the Pro, you can see the size difference right there. The major difference that I see from the Pro, the X has a very flat screen. Speaking of, the screen is very bright, vivid, very clear as well. And it spans about 7.2 inches and a very high screen-to-body ratio, as you can tell. It has a notch, but if you don't really fancy a notch, you can always disable it in the options. Moving to the back, we have the fingerprint sensor right here, and it's 3 Leica optics lens, 40 megapixel, 20 megapixel, and 8 megapixel. On the front, we have a 24 megapixel camera for selfies and whatnot. The phone has a battery capacity of 5,000 milliamps, and that is quite a lot of power, especially if you want to bring the phone out the entire day. The phone is powered by a Kirin 980 processor. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. And lastly, it's running on Android 9.0, which is Android Pie. And that's all for the Mate 20X. Do stay tuned for our full review on our website. Don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page. And if you like the video, please share it around. Until next time, see you guys.